Hello guys. Hi Briley. Wanna say hello to the camera? She's all energized for some reason. Hi Barbie. Wanna say hi? Anyway. Okay. Guys, welcome to my channel. So today, it is a little later now in the afternoon. It is actually about like 3:45 right now. It is Saturday, so Jake and I have just kind of been running around. We both had the day off. We've done a few stuff already today. We went and got some coffee and went to TJ Maxx and just kind of ran a few errands off camera. Right now, Jake and I are getting ready to go out. He has a haircut scheduled at 4:15, so we're gonna head out at about 4 to go do that. And we kind of have some plans to do tonight. Just kind of fun stuff that I thought would be fun to vlog and bring the camera around with. Jake is outside crushing cans right now. Oh gosh. And it is loud and he's making all the dogs bark that are downstairs. All right, let's go see what he's doing. Yeah, that's the first thing we're gonna do. Jake's gonna go get his hair.
Gas one.
Oh my gosh, you did that fast. Oh, you did it.
Is it loud? Can you hear it?
I mean, it just sounds like you're crushing cans.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, okay. I need to change my pants. It's 4, so we gotta get going. No purse. Oh. Huh?
Sweater.
Oh yeah, it's not that cold.
Not that cold outside. Where's that sweater?
See you guys when we get there. Bye.
Bye. Treatment, keeping the mustache.
Ooh. Ooh. He's shaving down the mustache or the beard when we get home, but we don't want to pay for that.
The mustache stays.
Go. Go. Go.
Yeah, there it is. I see it.
I still don't see it. Update. We walked a freaking mile to the library to learn you can't even buy magazines.
It was like half a football. We walked a block.
What is the temperature outside right now?
45.
44 feels like 40. We're making vision boards, y'all. So we were gonna buy some magazines. Didn't end up happening. I guess you can only use magazines in a library. That's it. End of story. You can't leave with them. Haircut. I got a few clips on my cell phone because I was too nervous to get out my camera because everybody was facing one direction. Now we're going home. Take the dog out. Start some dinner. And then get started. Oh, and we gotta take down Christmas decorations. We got a busy night. Alright, we'll see you guys when we get home.
I don't know.
Hello, Bradley. Did you miss us? Did you miss us? Look how cute the kitties are. Oh, back home. First thing first I gotta do though is I gotta put on comfy pants because there's literally nothing I hate more than wearing my jeans in the house. Right. Now we're in the same thing I literally wear every time I'm home. This. Next thing on the list is to wash my hands. First off, look how cute this is. I'm obsessed. It's my new work water bottle. I'm very excited about it. There's the remote. There's the remote.
What radius of the house?
to cook it. Okay, dinner time. Today, we making dill pickle soup. And before you say ew, it's good, right? Every single time I tell people that I'm making dill pickle soup for dinner, I swear all they picture in their brain is a bowl of pickle juice.
Like pickle juice.
Yeah, and like it is not, it is so creamy, it is good, and it's like, don't hate till you try it. If you like pickles even just a little bit, you're gonna like this soup. I ain't gonna lie and say that I made up the recipe myself because I ain't that talented, but I will say I make it vegan, so there's that. Proud of myself there. I'm still hyped up from coffee I had at 1 o'clock. I made this 1,000 times. I still have to pull up the recipe on my phone, so we're gonna do that. Here. It's on Pinterest. You can make it at home. Or it could be even cooler and make it vegan. So the only thing that I changed in this recipe, I used vegetable broth instead of chicken broth. And then I use dairy-free sour cream. And that's pretty much it. That's the only 2 things that are in there that aren't vegan. So it's super easy. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's get out our ingredients. I don't even know what to do. I always forget how I do this. First steps that you do in this is you, in a large pot, combine the vegetable broth, potatoes, carrots, and butter. Bring to a boil until the potatoes are tender. So first I just chop everything. So I'll peel and chop the potatoes and then cut up the carrot. Worst part of it all is peeling and cutting the potatoes. So let's get it out of the way. I just kind of eyeball how many potatoes and things I want. I usually don't follow the recipe because we really like potatoes in this house. So I usually use more than what they say in the recipe because you can't have too many potatoes. And plus we have this giant bag that we gotta go through. So I think I usually pull out about 6 or 7 good sized potatoes. Right there. Let's get into rinsing, peeling, and chopping. 4 years later and I'm finally done chopping. I got used a lot of extra potatoes, but it's fine. Love potatoes. Now, tasty. Mix it around.
How?
So then I'm supposed to cook until the potatoes are tender, and then when the potatoes become tender, you add in the pickles and continue to boil. So while that boils and cooks, we're gonna cut up the pickles. Okay, so we are back. So it is boiling. The potatoes are tender. We've already chopped up all of our pickles that we have here. So we're just gonna go ahead and move these over to the pot. All right. So I believe for the next part of the recipe is where we make the paste for it that makes it the creamy goodness that it is. The weird part, but it's good, trust me. 1 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of water. Add in the dry ingredient. Then 1 cup sour cream. Half cup. And then 1/4 cup water. When you whisk it together. Alrighty. After you do all of that, you'll come together with this mixture, and this is what really makes the soup super creamy and thick. This is when we add in this mixture, and you have to do it very little at a time, just to make sure that it all doesn't get all clumpy. Okay, so we have all of the mixture in. So this is what we are looking like now. Lot better. All right, and then as you saw, I already added in the pickle juice. I used way too many potatoes. I was running out of room for the sour cream mixture to thicken it up, so I had to go ahead and pour that in so I could add the rest of that, but ended up all working out. Then this is the point where you add all of your seasonings, so we're just gonna go ahead and figure out what we're gonna need there. And that's it. 1.5 teaspoons. Okay. All right, they're pretty much done now. This is the end finished product. I'm gonna let it sit and just lightly boil just for a few minutes, just so it can thicken up everything, and then it'll be ready to eat immediately. Now the worst part is we gotta clean up all of this. definitely think I have outdone myself from the last time I made it where it was all weirdly watery. Yummy! You look so funny. You look so cozy. Gemma, what are you doing? Come on. Oh, Gemma. Turn the bowl away from me.
Don't want to make a mess.
You're right.
Making a mess.
Kind of making a mess though.
That good?
Yummy. Oh, that's for me?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got our dill pickle soup. We got holes on the TV. It's gonna be a good night. Oh, finally I can sit down. Say hi. Hi, Brian. All right, we gonna eat. We gonna watch some holes, and we'll be back later when it's time for crafts.
Craps?
Crap. I'm so cozy.
You're so cozy.
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 Dinner time! Hello guys, so it is now a different night. The last footage that you saw was Saturday night and it is now Sunday night. Jake's already at work, it is just me, and I've been spending the last few hours editing the vlog here, and I just realized that just like there's just no ending. After we ate, I just didn't pick up the camera again for the rest of the night. Ended up just showering and going to bed, so I didn't really give like a proper exit to the video or anything like that. So I thought I'd just pick up the camera really quick and do that now because I really enjoyed the vlog that I edited and that I recorded on Saturday, and I didn't just want to just toss it all because I just didn't do anything the rest of the night. And so, yeah, I thought I would just give the proper exit here and just say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed my little recipe cook with me video. If any of you enjoyed that, please let me know down below. I love cooking, and I cook pretty often for Jake and I. And so if you enjoyed it, I will definitely do more cooking videos. Thank you again so much for watching. Sorry for the abrupt, random ending to this video, but what are you gonna do? Do not forget to subscribe, comment what you thought about the video, give it a like, anything just to let me know that you're watching because I love seeing it. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!